Welcome to this Delph tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use Shein codes to find clothes. Shein item codes make it easy to find a specific clothing item without browsing through multiple categories. These codes are often shared in reviews, social media posts, or by sellers. To get started, open the Shein app or visit the Shein website. Make sure you are on the home screen. Next, tap on the search bar at the top. Carefully type or paste the Shein item code into the search field. After entering the code, tap the search icon. Shein will instantly display the exact clothing item linked to that code if it's still available. From here, you can view the product details, check available sizes and colors, read reviews, and add the item to your cart or wish list. If the item does not appear, it may be out of stock or removed. Try searching for a similar item using keywords instead. And that's it. We just learned how to use Shein item codes to quickly find clothes by searching directly through the Shein app or website. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next Delph tutorial videos.